Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss the topic derivative. आज के क्लास में हम लोग जो टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे वो है डेरिवेटिव और इसका रिवीजन. ओके, सपोज y इक्वल टू एफ एक्स बी आ फंक्शन. y इक्वल टू एफ एक्स एक फंक्शन है. y डिपेंड ऑन x. इफ small change in x be delta x, it means जो x में जो चेंज हो रहा है वो कितना हो रहा है, डेल्टा x. अब सिंपल सी बात है, if y is the function which is depend on x, अब जब x में चेंज होगा तो डेफिनेटली चेंज इन y, then y plus delta y equal to f x plus delta x. तो what will be the value of delta y? f x plus delta x minus y. Put the value of y. What is y? Y equal to fx. So delta y is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx. What we understand? If small change in x delta x, then change in y will be the f x plus delta x minus fx. Now delta y by delta x. What is delta y? Delta y means change in y. What is delta x? Means change in x. Is ratio in, is the ratio change in y to change in x. मीन्स ये जो डेल्टा वाई बाई डेल्टा एक्स एक सिंपल रेशियो है किसमें, चेंज इन वाई टू चेंज इन एक्स. अभी कॉन्सेप्ट लगाते हैं कि इफ डेल्टा एक्स टेंड्स टू जीरो हो जाए. डेल्टा एक्स टेंड्स टू जीरो का मीनिंग होता है कि चेंज इन एक्स, एक्स में इतना स्मॉल चेंज है कि टेंड्स टू जीरो, देन लिमिट delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x will become the differential coefficient of y. It is the differential coefficient of y. It means limit delta x tends to 0. Put the value of delta y. f x plus delta x minus fx by delta x is called ddx of fx. Means what is the ddx of fx? Means differential coefficient of fx is the limiting value of this. Now if delta x को हम h से रिप्लेस कर ले, then ddx of fx will be the limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx by h. This is the formula of differential coefficient by using first principle. Someone is asked what is differential coefficient. So differential coefficient means the limiting value of limit fx plus h minus fx by h is called differential coefficient of fx with respect to x. मीन्स इसकी जो लिमिटिंग वैल्यू होती है उसी को हम डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ fx विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x बोलते हैं. और ये जो फॉर्मूला है बेटा, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला हम लोग many more questions solve करेंगे by using the first principle. Okay, what is the formula? ddx of fx equal to the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Okay, I hope you understand. So please note down. Okay, now we all know about the one formula, 1 plus x की power n is equal to the 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 by factorial to x square plus n minus 1, n minus 2 by x cube plus dot. With the help of this formula, we will find the differential coefficient of x की power n by using first principle. Means d dx of x की power n equal to the n x की power n minus 1. It is the formula of differential coefficient of x की power n. But we will prove it by using the formula of first principle. So what is the formula of first principle? Means d dx of fx is equal to the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Okay, now we will understand what is fx beta. What is fx? Fx is equal to x की power n. Then what will be the fx plus h? It means in place of x we will replace x plus h, so it will become x plus h की power n. Now we will take common x. जब x कॉमन लेंगे तो ये अपनी पावर के साथ बाहर आएगा, x की पावर n 1 plus h by x की पावर n. Now by using this formula, d dx of fx is equal to the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Now we will put the value. तो d dx of x की पावर n limit. Okay, what is the value of f x plus h? Means x की पावर n 1 plus h by x की पावर n minus x की पावर n by h. Now what is common here? x की पावर n and x की पावर n. तो limit h tends to 0 1 plus h by x की power n minus 1. Okay, earlier I have explained one formula. What is the formula of 1 plus x की power n? 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 by factorial 2x square that so on. So we will apply here this formula. तो limit x की power n by h. तो 1 बेटा in place of x is h by x, n is तो n h by x plus n minus 1 by factorial 2 h by x का whole square plus dot so on and last में minus 1. Okay, तो 1 and 1 is cancelled. Okay, now what is left? Limit h tends to 0 x की power n by h. If 1 and 1 is cancelled, so what is left? n h by x. Now what is common here? H by x. We will take common h by x. So n minus 1 by factorial 2 h by x plus that. If h by x is common, so here power is h 0. Now we will apply the limit. Means in place of h we will put 0. So x की power n by x. And if we will put in place of h is 0, so r will be the 0. So what will be the n x की power n minus 1? Means one power will be subtract. It means d dx of x की power n is, okay, it is the very important formula, but by using first principle we will use this method. Okay, please note it. Okay, now d dx of x की power n is equal to n x minus 1. Please learn it, it is very important. With the help of this formula, what will be the d dx of x? 1. What will be the d dx of root x? It will be 1 by 2 root x. And one very more d dx of 1 by x की power n. d dx of 1 by x की power n, it will become minus n by x की power n plus 1. It means d dx of 1 by x will be the minus 1 by x square. d dx of 1 by root x will be minus 1 by 2x root x, or minus 1 by 2 x की power 3 by 2. Means here power is 1, here power is half. 1 plus half will be the 3 by 2. Okay, please note down all formula very seriously. All the formulas are very most important. We will use directly d dx of x 1, d dx of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, d dx of root x 1 by 2 root x. Okay, now d dx of constant is equal to 0. Now derivative of constant function is 0, but how? By using first principle, fx equal to k, so fx plus h also will be the k. So with the help of first principle, d dx of fx equal to the limit h tends to 0, fx plus h minus fx by h. We will put the function constant k is equal to limit k minus k by h. So k will be the 0. So answer is 0. It means derivative of constant function is always 0. Please note down. Okay, now come to the next point. Means how to find the derivative of exponential function. So let's discuss some important formula. E की power x equal to the 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial x की power 4 by factorial 4, that so on. Next formula, e की power minus x. It means in place of x we will replace minus sign. So what? 1 minus x plus x square by factorial 2 minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x की power 4 by factorial. Okay, now one most important formula, a की power x. What is the formula of a की power x? 1 plus का whole square by factorial 2 का whole cube by factorial 3 plus that so on. Now what is the formula of log 1 plus x? So log 1 plus x will be the x minus x square by 2. We will not use the factorial here. Okay, x minus x square plus x cube by 3 minus x की power 4 by 4 plus that so on. Here even power will be the negative and odd power will be the positive. Now so log 1 minus x will be the, in place of x we will put minus x. It will be minus x square by 2. Please, these are the very most important formula because we will use to prove d dx of e की power x equal to e की power x, d dx of e की power minus x equal to minus, d dx of a की power x is equal to a की power x log ea, and d dx of log ex is equal to 1 by x. But please here concentrate here. What is log ex या फिर d dx of ln x? Both are same. Log ex means ln x means logarithmic with base a. The formula is 1 by x. There is one another formula, d dx of log base ax 1 by x log ae. Now we will prove this formula with the help of first principle. So what is the formula? d dx of e की power x, e की power x, d dx of e की power minus x minus e की power minus x, d dx of a की power x. This please note down. Please note down. Okay, now we will prove the derivative of exponential function. So as we know that limit x tends to 0, e की power x minus 1 by x is 1. I hope you all know in limit chapter. Okay, so we will use this formula here. So what is the function? fx equal to the e की power x. So what will be the fx plus h? It means e की power x plus h. Here is the power in addition, so it will become e की power x into e की power h. So what is the first principle of differentiate d dx of fx is equal to the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Okay, now we will put the formula. Now we will put the value. So d dx of e की power x, it will become limit x tends to 0 e की power x into e की power h minus e की power x by h. What is the common here? Limit h tends to 0 e की power x is common, तो e की power h minus 1 by h. अब बेटा लिमिट इज इन h, तो e की पावर x आउटसाइड आ जाएगा, तो e की पावर x लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, तो e की पावर h minus 1 by h. प्लीज मैच इट. लिमिट रिप्लेस x by h, h tends to 0, तो e की पावर h minus 1, it will be 1. It means this is 1, means e की पावर x into 1, so it will become e की power x. By this process we will find the differential coefficient of e की power x. Means what is the formula? d dx of e की power x is equal to e की power x. Similarly we will prove d dx of e की power minus x is minus e की power minus x. Please note it immediately. Please note it. Okay, now comes to the next topic, means derivative of exponent. Derivative of means derivative of a की power x, d dx of a की power x. What is the formula? A की power x log e a. Okay, we know the one more formula कि लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 a की पावर x minus 1 by x equal to log e a. In chapter limit I have already explained. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 0 a की power x minus 1 by x is equal to log e a. So what is the function here? What is the function? fx equal to the a की power x. So what will be the fx plus h? a की पावर x प्लस h, तो a की पावर x into a की पावर h. In multiplication power will be the add. So what is the formula? d dx of fx is equal to the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Okay, put the value. So d dx of fx, fx means a की power x is equal to the limit h tends to 0 fx plus h. fx plus means a की power x into a की power h minus a की power x by h. So what will be happen? To limit h tends to 0. So what is common here? A की power x. So what is left? A की power h minus 1 by h. Think here, limit on h, so a की power x will be the outside, तो limit h tends to 0 a की power h minus 1 by h. Now come to the this formula, x replaced by h, तो limit sorry h tends to 0, तो a की power s minus 1 upon h will be the log e a. तो replace here, तो formula will be a की power x log e a, means d dx of a की power x. It is the very most important formula. Please learn it. Okay. Okay. Now comes to the last proving for today's class. d dx of logarithmic x. d dx of log base ex is equal to 1 by x. Now please come to the chapter limit. We will discuss a formula limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. Okay, so what is the formula? fx equal to the log ex. Okay, now So what will be the fx plus h? It will be the log x plus h. Now we will take common x. So what will be log x? So here will be 1 plus h by x. So beta everybody we know log mn is equal to the log m plus log n. Means जितना भी मल्टीपल में होगा वो ऐड हो जाएगा. तो we will apply here. It is m, it is n. So it will become log x plus log 1 plus h by x. Okay. Now we will apply the formula d dx of fx is equal to the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Put the value, what we will get? So d dx of is equal to limit h tends to 0. Okay. What is the value of fx plus h? Log x plus log 1 plus h by x minus log x by h. It is cancelled. Okay. So what will we get? Limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus h by x upon h. Please try to understand. Okay. If x replaced by h by x, then to limit h by x tends to 0 log 1 plus h by x will be the 1. Bolo yes or no? So now here is only h. Here is only h. So what we will do? Hello, listen. If h tends to 0, then h by x definitely tends to 0. X is not equal to 0. If h tends to 0, then h by x tends to 0 definitely. Now to limit h by x tends to 0 log 1 plus h by x upon what is here? Only h. So b will h by x into x. x का डिवाइड h का मल्टीप्लाई. ये जो बेटा बचा ना, here is multiply 1 by x, इसको आउटसाइड कर लो. 1 by x limit h by x tends to 0 log 1 plus h by x by x, it will become 1. So it is 1 by x. Means d dx of log e x is equal to 1 by x. Okay. I hope you all understand. Now here is one very most important concept. How suppose log AB. What is base? A. How to change the base? If I want to change the base in E, so what is the concept? Log EB upon log EA. Here one more very important, log AB is equal to 1 upon log BA. Okay. Suppose I want to find log AX. I want to differentiate log base AX, but we all know this formula. So what we will do? D dx of log EX upon log EA. Okay. It is the constant value. So it will be the 1 by log EA into d dx of log EX. It is 1 by x. Now please concentrate this formula. Means 1 upon log BA equal to the log A. It means it will be the log AE into 1 by x. It means d dx of log base AX will be the 1 by x log AE. Please learn it. Okay. Now in this class we will discuss this, and next class we will discuss derivative of trigonometric function with the help of first principle.